Good day, I'm John Paul Flame, and today I'll be touring you on this prime property located inside an exclusive subdivision in Nova Tierra, Lanang, Davao City. This property sits in a 379 square meters lot area, and the floor area is around 250 square meters. Tara, let's check! As you enter the property, you have your pedestrian gate here, and on my right side is your car garage that can accommodate at least 2 to 3 vehicles. So you have your main gate here, dako siya nga gate, na pwede mo sulod sabay ang duha ka sakyanan nimo. And kaninga side, we have your garden area here, na ana siya Cigar Calathea upon turnover. So on that side, naa siya entrance that will lead you to the kitchen. On my left side is your garden area or your greening area nga pwede mo magtanom. And also, you have your pathway there that will lead you to the annex building of this property, which I'm going to show you later. But karon, ipakita sa nako sa inyo ha, ang main house of this property. Tara, tanawan na to. Touring you in the main building of this property. So as you enter, you have your space here for your living area, and also this space can be a dining area that can accommodate up to 8-seater capacity. So you have your light colored porcelain tiles on the main floor of this building, and you have a lot of sliding windows that gives a natural light on this property. Now, adjacent to your dining area is your kitchen area. Kung asa pwede mo magluto no og breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And dako ang space niya og naa siya C-type counter. Pag gusto ka kung asa ka magbutang og mga gamit nimo kung magluto ka. Now, it is made of quartz and the base cabinets are already included. Also, you have your space here for your oven or stove, no? Tapos naana pod kay apil nga tawag ani exhaust fan, and you can put your fridge here. So the overhead cabinets and the base cabinets are already included, and you have your accent chandelier nasa imong kitchen. Okay? So I know that you're excited to see the bedrooms on this property. So sa kaninga building, you have your 3 spacious rooms, no? And I'm going to show you the first room of this building. So you have your enough space here that can accommodate double-sized bed, and this wardrobe cabinet is already included upon turnover. Ang abang pod sa aircon sa imuhang window type aircon kinaana pod, and you have your sliding window sa kaninga area so that if you want a natural air ventilation, dali ra siya og ginaw siya. Now, you have your common toilet and bath also here sa imong mga guests, or kung kinsa man ang nagpuyo sa imong first room, pwede niya gamiton ang kaning toilet and bath. And you have also your cabinets here para sa imong mga extra stuff. Okay? Now, let's head on to the second room of this property. Now, it can accommodate for about queen size bed kay mas dako ang area ani, and wardrobe cabinet are already included. What's the good thing about this property is ang ceiling niya, dili siya flat ceiling, murag cathedral type ceiling siya if you notice. Gwapo ang iyang ceiling. Now, it gives an additional ceiling height no sa tawag ani sa property, so mas mutaas samot ang area sa imong property. And this room comes with its own toilet and bath. Let's now head on to the third room of this house. It is much spacious compared to the first 2 rooms. It can accommodate murag queen or king size bed, and it comes with a 6-door wardrobe cabinet upon turnover, so it is included already. Naana po siya yung mga division, naana po siya yung mga shelves. And you have your spacious master's toilet and bath on this room. So that's for the bedroom of this main building. I forgot di ay ipakita sa inyo kaganina ang isa sa gwapo nga feature sa kaninga property, which is the dirty kitchen in the laundry area, which is very spacious also. So kaninga side, naatay dirty kitchen, no? Ani pwede mo magluto diri and also on that side is your laundry area. And it comes with its own door and sliding window for privacy purposes, and it will lead you to the car garage at siya. So you have your privacy and security sa kaninga area. On this side of this building, you have your sliding door that will lead you to your covered area of this property. So kung asa pwede mo mabutang og sofa or outdoor na murag area, no, kung asa mo pwede magtambay every morning or every afternoon for your coffee session. And that this also has an access to the second building of this property or to your annex building. Now, you have a lot of space here for your gardening if ever gusto mo mag-garden. And as to the feature of this annex property or annex building, you have your two-story house here that has a small living area, and also you also have this kitchen area which has already cabinets upon turnover. And on the ground floor, you have your common toilet and bath here, and also the room which can also be used by anyone in the family. And you have your stairs here. So pagsaka nimo sa second floor, you have your wood planks here for your stairs, and you have your steel railings. And it comes with a full glass window here sa kaning area para natural ventilation ra ang mosulod. And as for the second floor, you have quite spacious room here, and this can accommodate for about queen or king size bed. Dako po siya. And the wardrobe cabinets are already included. And ang ceiling niya kay guhapo, no? Para siyang cathedral type also. And ang iyang ceiling height from floor to ceiling kay grabe kataas. And this room comes with its own spacious toilet and bath. If you're looking for a spacious property in Davao City, you might consider this property. If you want to know more about this property, message me, John Paul Flame with DVO Realty. See you!